Agencies are billing for user-generated content and spending half their margin on creators, coordination, and revisions. There's a faster way, and your clients won't know the difference. Producing user-generated content at scale across multiple clients is a logistics problem, with different products, different audiences, different turnaround times, and the same tight deadlines. Tagshop AI's AI Video Agent 2.0 lets you produce client-ready user-generated content videos in minutes, not days. It's as simple as 3 steps. Here's how it works.
Step 1. Drop in the client brief and their product. You're not writing a script. Just tell it the direction the way you'd brief a junior on it. Something like UGC-style video for a D2C skincare brand targeting women 25 to 35 needs to feel like an honest review, not an ad. That's enough to start. Then paste the client's product URL. The agent pulls in the product description and images automatically. That's what makes each video specific to that client instead of interchangeable. Different URL, different video. Takes about 30 seconds per client. Step 2, set the format and shape the output before it renders. Pick your aspect ratio and length based on where this is running. Reels and TikTok go vertical. YouTube pre-roll go horizontal. For UGC length, 30 to 45 seconds is the sweet spot. Enough to build the hook, show the product, land the reaction. Then the agent asks follow-up questions. Target audience, tone, core message. This is where you put your strategy in. Answer the way you'd talk to the client, not the way you'd write a creative brief. Female founders needs to feel aspirational, but real, not corporate. That kind of language is what shapes a good output. Then you get a full storyboard before anything generates, scene by scene. This is your revision window, before you've spent a single render minute. If a scene looks too polished, too ad-like, or too off-brand, flag it here. Make scene 2 sound more like a genuine first impression, less like a spokesperson. That scene updates. The rest holds. Step 3, generate, fine-tune, deliver. Hit generate. Watch it through once with the client brief in mind. If one scene still isn't right after you see it moving, wrong energy, wrong pacing, regenerate just that scene, not the whole video. Then export and hand it over. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, ready to post as is.
No editing suite, no back and forth with a creator, and no waiting 3 days for a delivery. One brief, one URL, and one client-ready user-generated content video can be created in the time it used to take just to find a creator. Tagshop AI. Link is in the description. Free trial. Go run it on a live client brief right now. Subscribe for more of these.